Hi guys, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on my channel. For today's video, I will be unbagging my January Glam Bag Plus. You guys, no palette this month, but it's okay. We can focus on the face. I don't think I showed that a lot here on my channel, so that's going to be focusing on today. There is a foundation in the bag this month, so I'm really excited to see if it'll match me or how good the foundation is. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on my next upload. We're not gonna prolong this video, let's just get into the unbagging. If you are watching for the first time, I used to do the $10 a month, but I did upgrade it to the $25 a month, and you do get the full size products rather than the sample size. And also, if you didn't know that they changed their pouches. It used to be just a little zipper pouch, and now they upgraded to like the drawstring bag. This is our bag this month. It is blue. It is so cute. Yeah, it is open. Let's see how it is a drawstring bag. Not my favorite bag. I've been loving all of the other bags, but this one is cute, but not my favorite bag. The theme for this month is Dream It. So it's the same as the bag. Yeah, it says new month and new year. Phew! And the sky is the limit. When you start small, a trim here above the lip. There, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. Yeah, so that's our theme for this month. Let's see if we have anything else inside. It says beauty resolutions for your sign. So I am October, so that would be Libra. It says go with the flow and let your looks change with your moods. Ooh. Also, I think the second and third of each month, you get to curate your bag. You get to pick 3 items with the subscription that I have, which is $25. I get to pick 3 items in my bag, so I really love that about Ipsy. Our first product is from Wonder Beauty. This is a micro brow pencil. This is in a dark brown. Now let's go ahead and see what the pencil looks like. Do we twist it? Okay, so you have to twist from the top right here, and it's pretty thin, you guys. Let me pull it up more. That's what it looks like. Let me see. It says dark brown. Oh, I don't want to do that. I think I can work with that. That is the shade that we have. I think I can work with that. Yes. So we do have a spoolie. It's always a great thing to have with brow pencil because you want to tame that non-existent brows. So we're gonna try to attempt to do our brows on camera because I'm not very good at it. I'm just gonna do one brow with you guys because it's gonna take forever if I do both of them on camera. I love how thin it is. I don't have a lot of hairs up here, so I definitely have to draw that and extend it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side, and we'll be right back. I do enjoy the shade of this brow pencil. The more I applied it, it got darker, so I am actually enjoying that. And I also have their clear brow gel, so I went ahead and applied that. And now let's go ahead and move on to the face. And we do have a, what is this called? This is a unicorn essence. I mean, who doesn't want unicorn essence or anything unicorn on their face? So this is from Farsali. This is a skin enhancing antioxidant serum. So I love my serum, you guys. For a small bottle, it is pretty heavy. It is a glass bottle. As you guys can see, it is a dropper, so that is good. It says right here, apply to clean face before moisturizer, maybe use as a primer before makeup application. Ooh, that looks like a unicorn essence to you guys. We are just gonna use our hands today. I usually would take a brush, but you know what? I don't know. Are you supposed to put this all over your face? We're just gonna do it. Ooh, ooh, smells good. So it's a bit sticky, but we like that because we want the other products to stick on your face, so it's good. Now let's move on to a primer. We do have a primer in this bag, and this is from YC Collection. It says Let Me First Primer. It says that this has 30 ml, 1.0 fluid ounces. It says that this is a silicone-free filling primer. It refines the appearance of pores and smooths the skin. It hydrates and brightens the complexion, maintains a matte appearance, while ensuring the skin stays moisturized. So I'm just gonna concentrate that right here. You know, we all have that problematic area, and that is where I need my primer the most, and my nose as well. I don't see it filling my pores. I do have a very enlarged pores, and they are still screaming right now. So maybe apply a little bit more. Just press it on there. Fill in that hole. There you go. I do see a little like a blurriness on the pore area, so I guess because my pores are, you know, just mad all the time, so I have to double the product, but it did blur my pores, so I like that. Now moving on to the foundation. I'm excited for this foundation. This is from Laura Geller. It says Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation. This has 1.76 ounces. I have the shade medium, so we shall see. I don't mind when my foundation is light because you can always bounce it up. Ooh, my goodness, so pretty. Guys, I am in love with this packaging. So this is, it says right here, medium at the back. Right here, it says medium. Yeah, and then it tells you how to use it. It says apply a small amount to the face with fingertips, starting from the center of the face, blending outward. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have a little stopper. I don't know what it's called, but it has like a little plug in it, so it doesn't give you too much product. This is the shade that I have right here. I think that will definitely work for me. I know not everybody uses sponge for their foundation, so we're gonna do half and half. We do sponge and brush. So we're gonna start with the brush. This is just the Luxie round top blender. Ooh, it looks like it's blending into my skin tone pretty good. It actually matches my skin really nicely. But it's definitely a light coverage because I can still see my skin. Does it say in here? It says quench your skin with our intensely hydrating foundation with a wash of color. Coverage is a weightless and refreshing of a splash of water, leaving skin with a natural glow. Wait. So that's all that it says right there. But it's definitely a very lightweight foundation. This is what you would wear on the no makeup days. Now I'm gonna use my sponge. You guys, I need more product for sure though. When you use, when you use a brush, you do use a lot of products because it does soak in your products. Yeah, I can still definitely see through my skin, but I am liking this. Ooh, Laura Geller. I like both the brush and the sponge application. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply one more layer. Why not? I'm actually gonna use the brush. So just a little bit more on each side. Just like that. So I just dimmed the light just a little bit, so maybe it'll show more of what the foundation looks like on my skin. I really like it, so I'm gonna do a little bit of touch up, and we do have one product left, so I'm gonna kick on the rest that's not in the bag, and I'll be right back. Guys, my skin looks so nice right now. maybe it's a new favorite foundation, lightweight foundation. So let's go ahead and move on to the last item in our bag. This is from Item. That was good. It says Cheek Money. It says this is a Swipe and Glow Bronzer Contour Duo. So I would usually take a cream contour stick, but when I'm trying new contour or bronzer, I don't use the stick, just so you know we see the true colors of the bronzer. But loving the packaging. It is so cool. It does have like a little thing right here. I think you pull it off. That is so cool. So that what it looks like. Ooh, this is so neat. I'm gonna keep this packaging. Ooh, look at this packaging, you guys. So this is in the shade Mood and Vibes. So we do have a contour and a bronzer in this compact. We have the contour and this is the bronzer. Is that how it goes? Because you know you want to contour with a shade like this and you bronze with this one. I think that is a little too light to be a bronzer for me, but we shall see. And it does have a mirror. It says I love you, say it back, so you guys say it back. We're gonna use the dark one to bronze up our or contour our face, and then we bronze with the lighter shade. So I'm gonna go from up here, and oh, that is a lot. It's actually really good. I love when all of the items on my bag works really good for me. You know, there's no disappoint on this bag for sure. I can say that right now. So I'm just gonna take a big brush and we're just gonna go ahead and use that all over our skin. You know, bronze up our skin a little bit more, and you can just use the darker shade just on the area where you want to define your cheeks. Just like that. Just like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the face. This is the last item in our bag. I'm gonna go ahead and do some blush, highlights, and lippies, and I'll be right back. This is the completed look, you guys. This is definitely perfect for Valentine's Day look. We are pink and we are ready for our date, our house date, because, well, it'd be a virtual date for me because husband is not here, he is deployed. But this is definitely a great look for Valentine's Day, or just, you know, just a house date. I will link all the products that I use in the description below, so don't worry, I got you if you enjoyed this look. Yeah, so let's talk about the products in our bag. The brows, you guys, I am impressed with the brow pencil. I'm probably gonna do the brow pencil and then fill it in with my my powder. I think that's gonna be my new combo. And then the foundation. Oh, I love this foundation. It looks so good on the skin. So it is lightweight and it's, you know, you can build it up. But with all the things that we take onto our face, I think a lightweight foundation is good for me. The item, I really like it. And I also used it on the nose. I am not very good at contouring my nose, but I think I did okay. I like how you can use the dark one to just, you know, contour the side of your nose and blend it with the lighter color. So I really like that for that purpose. I mean, for all over the face too, but I enjoyed this on the nose. Let's see. Ooh, the essence, serums, those are always good to have. I really love these products with my skincare routine. I'm being lazy with my skincare routine right now. That's probably why my skin is acting up, but I do love using serums and essence and stuff like that. And the primer, you guys, not quite sure about the primer. It's something that I have to use a few more times. The first layer, it didn't really do anything to my skin or my pores, I should say. And then when I used it a second time, just, you know, concentrating on the pores, it did blurt out the pores. So something that I have to just concentrate it on my problematic area and, you know, put a lot, because I do have very angry pores. So definitely gonna try this again. I'm gonna keep on using these products and let you guys know. But I like every single products that I have. I know 3 of these items I chose for myself. I just couldn't remember which one, so I will definitely make a notation for that when I'm editing the video. That is everything that I have for you guys. That is my January Ipsy Glambag Plus. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.